In this video, I'm going to reveal an exact method you can use to get thousands of free visitors rushing to your affiliate link so you can start to make commissions as soon as this week. Now, I'm literally going to break down every single step, including how you can copy and paste your way to success. I'm going to share with you a totally free tool that you can find online to do 90% of the work for you. And I'm even gonna share with you how to find a high converting product to promote so you can start to rake in these commissions even while you're sleeping. So if you're excited to learn that, be sure you stick with me through this entire video because you don't want to miss this. What's going on? Garrett here, back again with another video. Now, this video is going to really reveal exactly how you can go out there and start to get results. But before I do that, I want to share, if you're someone that's really serious about taking your affiliate marketing to the next level, and you really want to go through a process that shows you every single step to really scale to $10,000 or more per month, I'm going to include a link directly below to a 15-day challenge. Now, in that 15-day challenge, you're going to be able to go through one video per day that's going to break down in bite-sized trainings each step and each skill you need over the course of 15 days. So by the end of those 15 days, you can master affiliate marketing and go out there and start to really crush it even more. But all that being said, let me go ahead and dive in now to the method in today's video, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to take a look at this article, okay? Now, this person right here wrote an article on the 10 best books on productivity, and they just have some basic text, you know, some images, things like that. But what this person can do is this person can literally get this article seen by thousands of people a month. And if they just include a couple affiliate links, then they can start driving free traffic to their links and start to generate sales. Like I said, even while they're sleeping, even while they're out hanging out with their family, this is still working for them. Now, these articles are incredibly powerful, and I'm literally gonna share with you how to get these articles created for you with just the click of a button, so you don't even have to write these articles, and how you can have these like digital assets working for you, bringing you in sales. The site we're gonna actually be using is called medium.com. Now, I've never actually taught this method on my channel before, but medium.com is a massive website. In fact, if we go to a site called similarweb.com, this shows you how much traffic and visitors these websites are getting. Medium.com, just in April 2022, okay, just in 1 month, it had a total visits of 145 million people. So all we have to do is post articles on medium.com, and if we just get 0.001% of that total visits, we're gonna start to make some pretty darn good income, okay? And like I said, you're not even gonna have to create the articles yourself. Now, once you start posting these articles, you can start generating these affiliate commissions. You can see in one of my affiliate, dashboards right here, I've been able to generate $29,052. Let me go ahead and refresh so you can see that this is real legit income that's been coming in just using free traffic, okay? So without further ado, how do we get started? Well, what you want to do is you want to go over to medium.com. If you don't have an account, it's actually totally free to join. You just want to click get started right there. And then once you do, okay, you'll get taken here where you can actually join and you can sign up, okay? You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Facebook and email. It's very simple. You go through the process, and then once you sign in, you'll get taken to this page here. Now you can see other people's articles that have been posted. And again, this was 2 days ago. So you're going to be able to post these articles and get traffic very, very easily. So the next step, once you have an account on Medium, what you want to do is you want to go over to this left side. You want to click this little icon here, and this is going to take us to where we can start writing our articles. Now, before we start and rushing to write an article, like I said, you're not even going to have to write it yourself, as you'll see a little bit later, but we want to pick a niche to start promoting products into. Now, a lot of people ask me, Garrett, what's the best niche to go into? There's a lot of different niches. What I recommend you do is you pick one of the 3 evergreen niches. You pick one of these 3 categories because they're always going to be relevant, and that is health, wealth, or relationships, okay? People are always gonna wanna find out information, solve problems in those 3 categories. So for the sake of this video here, we're gonna do the health niche, But again, you can use this for any niche in one of those 3 categories as I recommend, okay? So what we want to do is, let's say health and fitness. The next step, we want to go over to Google and we want to actually write in a few words that have to do with the niche we're in and also have to do with finding an article that we can actually swipe. We're not going to have to write these articles ourselves. So what I can do is I can type in something like this, okay? So I already typed this in, 7 tips to lose weight. Now I recommend that you model after me, okay? You can write 7 tips to meet my ideal lover, 7 tips to make money online, okay? Take whatever niche you decide to go into and add that. You can also do 10 tips. The goal here is we want to find articles with different tips, different methods that people have shared. So 7 tips to lose weight, we can see this very top article is pretty good. You can see that it's sharing tips because we just want to find an article in that niche that we chose that's sharing good information, sharing good tips. So if you open up that article, okay, you can see right here that this article shares, 7 different tips to lose weight. And you can see it's very, good in-depth writing. They have good images, okay, which is pretty darn good. So what we want to do is we want to first write a title. So if we go back to our Medium article here, we want to write a good title. Now, you do want to make this slightly different, okay? So I don't just want to copy their exact title. That is plagiarizing and, that's not good. And even when we use this article to write our own article, it's going to be different. So we're not going to get in trouble, okay? We're going to be able to legally do this and use other people's articles, as you'll see in just a second. So I can go ahead and copy their title and I can go back here, okay? Go back to the article, I can type that in and now I can kind of just edit it slightly, make it my own. Now, for example, one quick and easy way to do this is rather than 7 tips, I can make it like 5 tips, okay? So that alone is gonna make it different and then I can go ahead and erase that and maybe just add a few other words to make it more clickbaity, make it more attractive for people to click on. 5 tips for weight loss doctors don't want you to know about, okay? So that's pretty clickbaity. 5 tips for weight loss doctors don't want you to know about. As another example, you could say 5 tips for making money online the government doesn't want you to know about, something like that. It's leaving out information, building curiosity. So now what we can do is we can go back to the article and I can literally just go ahead and copy the first 5 tips because that's what our article is, okay? I can go ahead and copy this, go back to our article and just paste that in like that. Okay, boom. What we first want to do is we want to erase and delete the images. Okay, so you can just go ahead, click each of the images, delete that. And I want to share with you how quickly you can pump these articles out very, very easily. Now, the next thing is what we want to do is we want to actually copy just the article, just the body of the article, copy this. And now we're gonna go over to a free site, a free tool that most people don't even know about. Okay, so if we go here, it's called freearticlespinner.com. And I'm gonna include all the links directly below if you're watching this on YouTube in the description. What we do is we input text here. We add the CAPTCHA here. Okay, so it's TSA, I type that in. And then spin text. Now check this out, okay? You can see right here, the input text, this is what I put in, the output text. So what this does is this literally spins the text and makes it your own. So rather than, like for example, it says the original text, these tips are not intended for people following specific diets. The output, these tips are not expected for individuals following explicit eating regimens. Okay, so it's like it uses synonyms and different words that mean the same thing, but it makes the text our own. So literally you can use this free article spinner to just create these articles that are customized to you. All you have to do is copy the output text, then go back to our article and paste that in, okay? So it replaces what we had before. And I can go ahead and, customize this a little bit, make it, spaced, things like that, right? But this literally should take you just a few minutes. Now, the other thing we can do is we can add some photos of our own, okay? Just to make this different. Because again, we want to be safe, we don't just want to copy it directly. What we can do is go over to a website called pexels.com. This allows you to get copyright-free, royalty-free images you can use for articles. So we want to type in a few words that have to do with the niche we're in. So for example, health. Now you can see for this, it says set a weight reduction target. So I can look for a image that has to do with, you know, possibly losing weight or maybe like a scale. Okay, so this could be, you know, good. So I can open this image, I can hit free download, and then I can just download it. Now, if I'm on a smartphone, I can go ahead and screenshot that, okay, or download it to my computer. And then all we want to do is go back here. Now for this, I can click there, I can hit add an image, and then just upload that image. Okay, you can see right there, that image is now uploaded, right? Very, very simple. Now we can just go through, and again, you can, you know, format this slightly like that. Okay, now I can add another image. And I recommend, you know, if you have the time, just add an image after every tip. Okay, so I can go back through, eat inside a 12-hour window, simply go back here, find another image, you know, maybe this one, download it, then upload it to here. Now, once you do that, the next step we need to do is now we need to find a good product to promote to link off to from this article. Because what's gonna happen is people are gonna find this article, they're gonna start reading it, and then they're gonna get value and they're gonna get, you know, information. But then we wanna give little calls to action to click to our affiliate link throughout the article. And that's how you're gonna drive thousands of visitors to your links so you can start making a ton of money, you know, with this method. So how do we find a product? Well, one place is Digistore24. Now this is a very popular, more new affiliate dashboard and marketplace. You can find tons of products in many different categories. Again, I'll include a link directly below to sign up to Digistore24 for free. And once you actually sign up and you log into your account, you want to go to Marketplace here, okay? Just click the tab Marketplace. They have all these different categories. But again, for our example, we're going to go to fitness and health, and then we want to sort by sales rank. This is going to share with us the best-selling products at the top. And if we promote products that are selling well for other people, chances are it's gonna sell well for us and we can start to make some pretty darn good money. Now, if you first see this product on the right, you're gonna see that it will look like this, okay? It will show promote now. All you have to do is click that and you'll see your affiliate link and then it will show up there, okay? So we're actually gonna use the very first product, the Ultimate Keto Plan. So I'm gonna copy my affiliate link. And now all you have to do is go back to the article, and throughout the article, you can either highlight some of the text, or I can actually, in between every few tips, I can say, click here for my #1 way to lose weight. Okay, or click here for my #1 way to make money. Then all you have to do is just highlight the text right there, click this little paper clip, and then when the box opens up, you just paste in your affiliate link, and that will actually hyperlink. So then when we go to publish this and someone sees this text and they click it, it will take them to our high converting affiliate products so we can start to make money. And you can go ahead and do that a couple times throughout. Now, once you actually go ahead and add the affiliate links and you start linking out, the last thing we need to do before we publish this is we need to actually add an affiliate link disclaimer, okay? So this is actually in Medium's rules to be safe. So I'm actually gonna include the copy paste affiliate link disclaimer in the description. So you can go ahead and copy this. It's gonna look like this. Okay, so we just copy that right there. Then at the very end, okay, of the article, you can actually go ahead and add that and you can make it look better. Just, you know, add a little italicized text like that. And then that's pretty darn good. Again, with the images, with the links to the affiliate link, you can even, you know, with the tips, highlight that, make it bold. Okay, just make it look good, but that looks pretty darn good. And then we just hit save and publish. And then once it's published, this article will be working for us. It will start showing up to people. People will start clicking it and they will start to go to your affiliate link. And if it's high converting, they'll start buying and you'll start making money. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed learning this powerful free traffic method. If you like this and you want me to make more, be sure to smash the like button. Also comment below, yes, I like this. That will tell me to make more videos like this. Also be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest weekly videos. And until next time, my friend, I really hope you got value and I will see you on my next video.